Hi guys, it's Jeff here, the Photographer's Mentor, and in this video I want to talk about Facebook competitions. Now, I've seen lots of Facebook competitions out there where people are giving away prizes, and a lot of people are doing it wrong. And the reason being is they're giving away a prize for people to like their page. And often that prize can be worth a few £100, and it's not really doing anything. All you're doing is getting a few page likes. Wouldn't it be better if you could give away a competition prize, but then also have a way that people are going to spend money with you or want to spend money with your business? And one way to do that is to give away a really, really good prize that isn't going to cost you money or a lot of money. It's just going to cost you a bit of your time. So if you're a wedding photographer, you could give away a day's wedding photography, but they're only getting the USB key with the digital images on. So you've got the chance to upsell them to an album, and you could sell them the nighttime coverage as well because you're saying it's daytime only. If you're a portrait photographer, you could do a family photo shoot and maybe a huge canvas, because you know you can get a big canvas for maybe £40–50, and that could have a value of maybe £500 plus the cost of your sitting fee as well, or your session fee, whatever it is. So you could be giving away a prize worth, say, £750. Another one is for commercial photography, so you could give away a package, a social media solution package, which includes 30 highly interactive images. So you've got a day's worth of posting every day for a month, and a fantastic banner image. So you'll actually go out to the company and do this photography for free. That's their prize. But in all these big competitions, what you're going to have is you're going to have runner-up prizes. And the runner-up prizes are vouchers to spend against the cost of a full purchase. Now, I've used this really effectively in wedding photography and in portrait photography as well. And this is where you would give away your wedding, but 6 people could win £150 vouchers to use against the cost of their wedding photography. So, or it could be a £50 voucher against the cost of a family portrait. So the people who are engaging and entering these competitions are people who are already interested in your brand and interested in your style of photography. So there are families who've got kids who are looking for photographs. There are brides who are getting married and need a photographer. You wouldn't enter a competition to win a wedding if you already had your photographer booked. You wouldn't enter a competition to win a wedding if you weren't getting married. So these competitions are directed at your ideal audience and your ideal client. So what you want to do with these competitions is to give away the big prize, but then give away a number of runner-up prizes that people can use against the cost of the purchase. Now imagine you're a bride and you are looking for a photographer, and there's a number of photographers in your area. You've priced them all up and they all charge £1,500, £2,000, right? But then all of a sudden you win a £200 voucher to use against the cost of your wedding photography. That suddenly puts that photographer in the lead. That makes them more applicable because you've been given physical voucher. Don't give money off. Don't give like a percentage. Don't say 10% off or whatever. Say this voucher is worth £200 and it can be used off these album packages. So what you can do as well, another little trick, is when you do the competition, you get them to share, so like the post, share the post on their page, tag in their partner, or if it's a family photo shoot, tag in their partner and the kids who they're going to bring along, if the kids are old enough to have Facebook pages. If it's a company, to tag in the person or tag in the partner in the company, or even tag in the company page, right? So it's all about getting more exposure. Now what happens is most people, when they come on to enter the competition and comment and tag in, then what they will do is they will like your page anyway, because they feel that if they don't like your page, they're probably not going to get a chance to get picked as a winner. But what you can do is when they comment below, you can and they like the post, you can actually invite them by clicking on the little likes, and it'll display it in Facebook whether they like the page, or invite them to like the page. So if they haven't liked the page, there'll be a little button say invite, and you can then invite them to like your page. And that means there's a good chance that they're going to see more of your future posts. Now, another good thing is what you can do is you can say that you're going to announce the winner on Facebook. So you announce the winner, you use that as a big PR thing. So you announce the winner, and then when the event happens or when you do the photography for the winner, again, you make a big story out of it. So it's an emotional selling story. You share the photographs, or you share a series of the photographs over the course of a week. But then you can say the runners-up will be messaged, privately messaged. So, okay, you're saying that you're giving away 6 vouchers worth £200, but if you get a real massive influx of people entering this competition, and you get, and I've seen that before with some of my clients getting maybe 100 or 200 people entering the competition, so the page is absolutely buzzing. There's nothing stopping you sending out 30, 40 runner-up vouchers, because the chances are not everyone's going to take that voucher up and use it. So you could end up sending out 30 or 40, but getting 10 confirmed bookings. So the more that you can send out to the runners-up, the better, because it's, and the good thing with the wedding side is you can ask them to state their venue and their date. So first of all, you can disqualify them if it's a venue that you're not willing to do. You know, if you're more of a premium photographer, which hopefully you are, then you don't want to do a shoot at the local working men's club after they've been to the town hall. So if you want to go more premium, and hopefully these people will spend more money, then you can usually tell by the venue whether they're going to suit your price budget. Another good thing as well is if these is for your winner, is you pick a winner that is on a date that's a weekday in the winter. So it's not affecting your weekends, it's not affecting your weddings that people are going to be paying for. So that's a really good way to use a Facebook competition to get a lot more engagement and also make money from it. Don't just give stuff away and just for the sake of a few likes. Give stuff away and then have a really good upsell policy where you're giving somebody a voucher that they can use to return to your studio and then start spending money on your products. I hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions regarding Facebook or Facebook competitions, drop me a message. I'm always happy to help, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks again, guys. Bye now.